Hello, in this recording, we're just going to verify that we changed the button branding and to comply with Google standards. So just a quick recap, we're going to go to SMBreviewer.com and click here on the drop down. You can see this is the SMB application. We're going to log into our application here. Credentials, click sign in. And next thing we're going to do is we're going to just verify our button. You see, we're use the dashboard to go to capture reviews. We are to just go to sort of enabled. So I went into a campaign that I believe is unenabled. Okay, so when we go to the Google Sheets integration, you'll see that the checkbox has been changed into a sign in the Google button. So what we'll do is when you click this button, you'll see that the pop-up comes up. See, it says continue to review.com, SMBreviewer.com. This is us. We're just going to verify the client ID. Here it is. Client ID equals 716782777. String here. So dash I4 CETA 505 CG2 SU8S J8 NEUPD7 SPS6 apps Google usercontent.com. So we verified the ID, client ID. I'm just going to sign in again. And of course, we get this flag. SMBreviewer.com wants additional access. Two services again are the same. We want the sensitive scope to see, edit, create Google Sheets. Click continue. And you see, and then the sign in button is replaced. And somebody can cancel their connection by just clicking here. So that's it. Okay, and then once we have the sheet connected, then it'll tell you which sheet you want to, which tab sheet in Google you want to choose. And just click save. So for this one, this was our campaign. And here's the ID you want UEC. So if we go back here, you can see here. Oh, that's not the one we want to choose. So let's choose this one. We'll grab the sheet ID back here. Set the sheet, pick sheet 1, and then we go to it's just the test of this works. Okay, so if we go back to our sheet, and here it is. Here's the one we just added, my Google review, Google test. So that should be it with regards to verifying that the button complies with Google branding standards. So here we go. Here's our button here. Thanks so much. Appreciate it.